Something about being a Black woman tells me that it's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be worth it. Hi, my name is Indi Incredible, and I am a model, ambassador, and producer. When I think about the word beauty, I think about the saying, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. I think this to be true because beauty is unique. My personal beauty journey has been years of people telling me, no, look like this, no, look like that. Different agencies would tell me if I wanted to work, I would have to consider covering up all my freckles because at the time, freckles were equivalent to having acne. A lot of agencies, they wanted to push me as Eurocentric, so they would also tell me to straighten my hair, to wear long straightened hair. Being a Black model in the modeling industry means that you're gonna have to work 10 times harder, even if your resume is superb. The whole goal here is to create campaigns that little kids will see that will inspire them. Growing up, I never seen someone that looked like me. Right now, I'm giving them proof that you can do this. I'm breaking down barriers and boundaries and making the way for other people that look just like me. Always keep that momentum going. We're the generation to do that. And right now, we belong, we are beautiful, and we are worthy. My Black is beautiful. My heart is beautiful. My mind is beautiful. My freckles are beautiful. And I am beautiful.